What's good, everybody? Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com. Hey, we slapped together a quick mashup video showing how to install vinyl planking, and actually tomorrow we're going to go more in depth with it. So check out this video and then be sure to subscribe and check tomorrow's video because we're going to show more details so you can go ahead and take on the installations yourself. So there you have it, just a quick overview there. Be sure to check out tomorrow's video. I'm going to break down everything for you so you can go ahead and do your own vinyl plank installations and save some money on that. Be sure to subscribe and check the link below this video. We always have giveaways going on. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you on the next video.